Okay, over to Home Team Inspection. Brad Lawler. Danny asks or says, I'm buying a house. Good. The inspector recommended some repairs, but the selling agent is telling me that the repairs are not necessary. What should I do? Okay, that's a
Wow.
double-edged. So yeah, go
Yeah, I
ahead.
was going to say I don't know if that's a home inspector question as much
An
as maybe
attorney.
the question for
Yeah.
the attorney or the agent there. So
Hmm.
yeah, because the home inspector can only make recommendations. We can't make any demands. So
Yeah.
there's nothing that we have that's contractually obligating anybody. We're just giving you a report on what we find at the moment that we do the inspection.
Yeah.
Why?
I
I
mean,
don't know. Yeah, go ahead, Chuck.
go ahead. I
Oh,
was going to say the contract's written so that if, I mean, they have the ability to say, no, we're not going to fix this. So whether they say we disagree that that's a problem or no, we're not going to fix it, it's kind of puts you in the same boat. You just pull the plug on it then.
I don't know why the seller's agent would be advising you
Yeah.
that you
That's another
shouldn't.
issue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
why you shouldn't. That the repairs are not necessary. Listen, seller's agent's an important part of the transaction, but you don't put yourself as a seller's agent in the line of fire because, in essence, let's
Yeah.
say you don't do a repairs, and hopefully you've got in writing from that seller's agent saying that the repairs are not necessary. Chuck, the ultimate problem will be what down the road if there are problems with the house.
Well, and you've acted as if you've come in and said, no, there aren't any problems with this. Seller's agent acts like a seller and says, hey, no, he's wrong. There's no problems. You just became a home inspector
Mm-hmm.
and are then going to be held liable to that same standard.
Mm. And
Mhm.
be liable or responsible for any money that
Exactly.
exactly. So
Which is the net result for being held liable for that standard. The idea is, okay, realtors. Well, I'm just a realtor. I can't. You can't expect me to tell you the quality of construction. That's not how the law looks at it. If you're a doctor, a general practitioner, and you act in the capacity of
mhm.
a brain surgeon, you will be held to the standard of a brain surgeon. Same thing with the realtor. Uh, why would they do that?
Yeah. Greg is just joining us, my son who does our marketing photography. This question came in where the seller's agent is telling the buyer not to, that the inspection repair requests, the repair requests are not necessary. So we're just elaborating on what that means. A seller agent should never be in the middle of that.
Yeah, I
Never.
don't think the seller agent is an inspector, so how could they? Yeah,
No, right. That's we've gone there. Yeah. All right. We move back on. And a reminder that if you are, one of the things that we pride ourselves on as a Sokoler team are the reviews. And you can see what our reviews look like. Go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com. That's a redirect to our reviews.